You're not chiefing this ledge. Whether you're going into the ledge or outside the ledge or out of the ledge or inside the ledge or after the ledge, gotta chief the wall ride in order to complete the chief. Yeah, it's not working. Oh my god, this is it. Oh my god. From the top I wanted to do it for so long, but at least we did that. Okay, there's a security guard looking right at me. The goal is to go from the top one day. I've looked at this hub so many times, loaded with security, but just to go halfway, knowing that there's, I counted 12 cameras, 2 SWAT team dudes right there, 3 security guards, there's another 2 right here as soon as you land, there's a doorman and another police officer. As long as we stepped foot on that hubba, I have a crazy adrenaline rush right now. So this is, I don't know, I guess it's worth it, right? Like to have that feeling and then beat it. I'm on the phone with Jonah. Jonah, where are you? So the point of today was to test halfway on that hubba. I've seen this hubba so many times and I'm like, man, imagine going from the top, it'd be so sick. Halfway, check. The whole thing, maybe for a future ride on YC video, and I have a couple of buddies with me in case I do slingshot out of the flat bottom. Ah, dumpster's right in the way. A little ledge piece. Yo, you trying to move this dumpster? Really, it's high? I feel like it's gonna be high right now coming out of the car. Anything coming out of the car is high. When you sit in the car for an hour and you come out, it's gonna be high. My ankle, I'm feeling it in my ankle right now, in my knee, just from that drop in that hubba. It was a big drop. Not sessioning before the drop, you know, like you just get up and you feel all stiff and then boom, you go off something big, you're like, lightning bolt. That's what I felt. Snowing and there's no clouds, which is very strange. Re-stair thing, you do tricks to this bank. If this wasn't here, it'd be even better. A little manual pad over there. This is here, and then there's 2 other manual pads. I kind of smoked. We went in today, we had a good session, hit a bunch of spots, pushed a lot, and then we hit that freaking hubba. My ankles, my knees are kind of like, got chill for a day or so. Whoa. So one more try for one more slice of pizza. Woo! That one I thought was gonna fall. I did my trick. I didn't touch the garbage can, but then my voice is cracked crazy. My voice just sounded like a trumpet. That about sums up today's session. My ankle is completely destroyed. Well, not destroyed, it was just tired. If I keep pushing it, I guarantee I'm gonna catch tendonitis real quick, and I'm not trying to do that. Definitely need to get back to that hubba. Warmer day, get to the top of that, and would love to put it as a ride on YC thumbnail and title, because that's, I mean, that's a big deal. If anybody wants to join me on top of the hubba and take it down with me, that would make me feel so much better than knowing someone's about to send it with me. Appreciate you guys watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and then subscribe. Be sure to have the notifications on. When you have that, you'll be the first to see these videos when they do go up. I'll see you guys in the next one.